What's going on, guys? Ballard and Fonte at National LED. We are out doing an exterior LED lighting retrofit for one of our good customers, Hartman Reed. Super excited about this project. We've done numerous of projects for them in the past, interior, exterior, all sorts of LED lighting projects. So we want to thank Hartman Reed for, always trusting in us to do the best job possible for them. Essentially, this project is for a office building with a Chase bank, and so anytime there's a bank, we want to make sure that we get the right amount of foot candles for security purposes. We are changing out these 400-watt metal halides with 55,000 lumen LED fixtures. It's going to be super bright. We're actually doing an awesome before and after video of this project, so thank you, and look out for this video. It's going to be a good one.
Ooh.